Hi, my name is Julia, and thank you for booking with me. I'm your host today. Today, I'm going to introduce a good friend to you. That is the Shoerack. After you enter this building, you will be seeing it on your left. It's the Shoerack. I want to apologize first. We do not allow outdoor shoes in the building. So after you enter this building, you have to take off your shoes. And you can put your shoes on the top 3 layers of the rack. We have slippers down there. You can wear it if you want. Or if you don't want to wear the slippers and you want to be barefooted, or if you want to wear socks, that's fine. That's totally fine. So just don't wear the outdoor shoes. And your room will be on the second floor. So after you get into the entrance, and you will see a beautiful stairs. You just take off your shoes and go upstairs and you will see your room. I have numbers put on the door like this. I will tell you which room you will be staying before your arrival. Okay, that's all for the video, and I hope you enjoy your stay. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. And have a good night. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.